Whoa! My name is Bameshe Peter, and I will welcome you to this marvelous course, which is Video Basic Computing 101. Now, on this course, we are going to talk about so many things on how you can get started when you don't know how to use your computer for the first time. Why am I the one taking you on this course? Well, I've been on IT for the past 10 years now, though I'm just a little guy. I have been on IT since I was in school, so I have so many experience from basic to advanced level. I'm a CCNA certified, a Microsoft certified, Adobe certified, and not only that, I'm a graphic designer and I work with so many companies all over the whole world. So with that, I welcome you once again to this Video Basic 101 on computing. Well, you are going to learn from basic and you're going to become an expert. Okay, I mean you're going to become an expert just within 2 hours. Yes, I mean it, 2 hours. All you just have to do is you try to to go through this video day by day for at least nothing less than like once in a day if possible, maybe twice in a week. I don't know how your time schedule is, but I believe if you try what I'm going to teach you on this video, you will move from basic level on computing to a very advanced level. Get me? So let's quickly get at it. See you on the inside. Thank you.